Here's why I was wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. And if you ask me, I don't think I'm alone here on being wrong on this one. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagines in your size. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this giveaway. This giveaway ends on February 3rd. I will be announcing the giveaway winner here on YouTube, so make sure you guys come back to the channel February 3rd to find out who wins a free pair of Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. Thank you, Crease Beast, for sponsoring today's video. On my right foot, I have Crease Beast. Here are my Reimagined 3s. I'm going to show you guys how awesome Crease Beast is and how it prevents creasing in your sneakers. I'm going to show you guys how to apply Crease Beast. Put the sock onto your foot. Go ahead and take the protector. Make sure the branding is facing out right towards you. Go ahead and take the protector, put it right into the sleeve. Take the other flap, put it right over, and just like that, you now have Crease Beast applied. Right shoe has Crease Beast, left shoe, nothing. I'm going to show you guys how Crease Beast will prevent creases in your sneakers. Notice the crease going on my left shoe with nothing in it. Now let's do Crease Beast. Definitely minimizes and helps prevent creasing right here in the toe box. This is awesome. Make sure you guys check them out. Be sure to shop Crease Beast. Get your protectors. You guys can see it's very squishy material, so it's going to be extremely comfortable inside your foot. It's not hard plastic or anything like that. Very squishy. This is going to make it very easy to go ahead and prevent creases in your favorite sneakers. Make sure you guys shop Crease Beast, link down below. Crease Beast will also work, of course, in the Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. With the leather material, you guys know that this is gonna crease up on you, so I highly recommend some Crease Beast. These crease protectors are very squishy, they're amazing, and they're not gonna be uncomfortable. They're gonna be great and prevent creases in your Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. The Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined releases officially on February 17th. Retail is $215. Please comment down below a bunch of fire emojis if you guys are copping a pair of the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. If you guys are passing for whatever reason, please comment down below a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined and who's not. I was wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined, and if you ask me, this is just my opinion, I don't think I'm alone here. I think a lot of the sneaker community is wrong about this release. I really think people are going to change their mind big time on the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. We have to talk about why I'm wrong here, why I was wrong, and why I think a lot of people might be wrong about these. But hey, you guys can change your mind. Don't forget, this is just an opinion-based niche. You guys can always change your mind on sneakers, right? Nobody says you can't change your mind. You can change your mind without feeling guilty or anything. Trust me, this is just a personal opinion thing. Let's talk about why I'm wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined and why I feel like a lot of the community is wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagines. Man, this is a fire, straight fire shoe. Let me tell you guys what's going on, why I'm wrong, why I was wrong, and why I think a lot of the community was wrong about the Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. Resale on the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. Do you think resale price will land after everything is said and done, after February 17th, after the shock drop, after the actual release on February 17th? Do you guys think resale price will be above $300 in most sizes or below $300 in most sizes? Take a guess down below in the comments section. Let me know what you guys think on that one. And while you're down there, please take a second to smash that like button. Hitting that like button really does help the channel grow. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that join button as well. And I know you guys do not want to miss out on this fire content on this sneaker, so make sure you guys have your notifications on. Now, let's talk about why I was wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. And if you ask me, I think a lot of the community is going to wind up being wrong about this release. Why is that? Well, the material switch up. So, we have to get into the details. Let's get straight into it. The Air Jordan 4 BRED right here from 2019 with the new buck. This is what we're used to. I did drop a comparison of the OG versus the Reimagined. If you guys want to watch that video, go back on my channel if the video is up. But right here we have the OG, right? We have the new buck, the Durabuck, what everybody is used to on the Air Jordan 4 BRED. When Jordan Brand does a big, huge change of material, it really, honestly, devastates the sneaker community for whatever reason. It truly does. Let me give you guys some examples. The patent breads. That's part of the Reimagined series. The patent breads, patent leather. A lot of people were happy and okay with it. It turned a lot of people away from the shoe as well because of the massive change of the material. Now the Lost and Founds, they didn't do a change up of material. The Reimagined 3s, same thing. However, the Royals, oh boy, what a change of material on the Royals, right? Well, the Royals, take a look. Nobody really cared so much for those Royals. We're back to another change of material, big time, on another classic, iconic, one of people's favorite Air Jordans ever. Mine, especially, top 5 shoe for me of all time. And right here, they did another change. And I will say this, it's ballsy of Jordan Brand. Straight up Nike, it's ballsy for them to do this. They got big kahunas to be doing this. Shout out to 21 Savage. They got big kahunas to really do a big change like this. Am I right or wrong? So, here's what I'm telling you guys I was wrong about, and I think a lot of the community is going to wind up being wrong about. The shoe, the leather change, and here's why. Here is why. I'm going to tell you guys right now, when you get them in hand, I think your mind is going to change. Yes, this might be better in a lot of our opinions, right? I think it's safe to say a lot of us are going to prefer the OG, myself included. However, this material change, for the first time, in my opinion, is welcomed, and I'm going to say it, I can't believe I'm saying it, better. It is. It's not the patent breads. That was a downgrade. The Royals, another downgrade. Here, for the first time, I think it's an upgrade. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I think I was wrong. I was not expecting this at all. In pictures, no. Pictures do not do these justice. They don't. I don't think videos give these the respect and everything they truly deserve. Get them in hand when they drop, and trust me, I truly believe the community as a whole is going to wind up absolutely falling in love with the Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined, and one day, yeah, prices will skyrocket, and honestly, they could potentially, this is even crazy to even say, but hear me out on this, could they go up past the OG? Potentially, because of the material change. Or maybe be around the same price, which is absolutely wild to even think about. But yeah, they're that damn good, if you ask me. I was not expecting to make this video, but guys, I have to. I was wrong. Big time. Big time. At first, when I saw pictures, I was like, yeah, these are kind of trash. I don't care for them. Why did they do that? Why? I was not happy, to be honest. I wasn't happy with the material change. But getting them in hand, oh boy, my mind has done a full 180. These are great. And yeah, material-wise, they're better than the OG because they're going to last longer. However, I still prefer the OG. Don't get me wrong. Still OG over Reimagined for me. Pick one down below in the comments. OG or Reimagine. I know this is a tough decision. But guys, I was wrong about the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined, and I think a lot of the community, when it's all said and done, you guys are going to change your mind like crazy. You guys, some of you, I think a lot of us, might prefer the Reimagined because of the leather. It's going to last longer, and it's going to break down a lot easier and be more comfortable than the new buck. This is wild. Wear test video coming very soon on the Air Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined. I've been wearing a pair of Jordan 4 BRED Reimagined, so the wear test video is coming very, very soon. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.